So this is the same day as when the last video ended. And when I ended that video, you guys heard me say that from now on, I can bring in uh, refrigerators and freezers to be scrapped out. And of course, I will, get money from that. But they said that you know, they need to be taken apart and they need to have all the copper removed, all the freon, all this stuff. Which, as you guys know, I have the equipment and the ability to do that now, and that's why they had me sign that contract. So I came back here to my storage unit. I'm gonna back up a little bit here. Came back here to the storage unit, and since I now found out I can bring that stuff in, I thought that a good place to start with the